Hi everyone, this is KJM Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang KDLX KDLX PressCon compilation. Crescentia, thank you so much. Sorry kung ngayon ko na ito nagawa ng reaction video, na busy lang talaga tayo. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Anong chika dito?
What is your favorite thing about each other?
Ay, gusto ko to.
My favorite thing about Alexa is...
Ang gwapo ni
so
KD.
basic, but how much she cares.
Ang gwapo ni KD.
Kwento ko na to. Last night,
Kwento mo
I was
na.
feeling very well. But Alexa took care of me. She was there. She massaged my head. She fed me, gave me food. And
Sana all.
I realized na sobrang grabe, sobrang thankful.
Sobrang swerte mo.
Ganitong person in my life.
Actually, swerte din ni Alexa kay KD kasi mabait din si KD.
Pinagalitan niya din ako.
Ay, bakit?
Kasalanan ko din naman na lumabas pa ako kahit may sakit ako. Her actions do most of the talking. She doesn't have to talk to show how much she appreciates a person. So yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
Ano bang favorite ko sa'yo?
Ano bang favorite ko sa'yo?
Niya is he's very understanding of may ugali.
Ay, may attitude naman pala.
Vague Pero ano po kasi, like, when it comes to work, I'm very, very, very focused. I'm very meticulous.
Okay.
Pag sa work, medyo nagiging perfectionist po ako, na talagang yun lang yung nasa isip ko. Lahat ng atensyon ko nandun, and kapag may hindi ako na-execute na tama, or the way I want it to be, na-frustrate ako sa sarili ko, ganyan. So, I'm thankful that he understands the way I am sometimes, especially when it comes to work. And that he's always there to reassure me and to comfort me. And he's always there to cheer me up. And I think...
Pero pinagalitan mo siya.
I didn't need that.
Gusto ko yun. Paano kaya pagalitan?
I'll be fine.
Paano kaya pagalitan?
But then, he came and he's like that. And kumbaga kung sa Inside Out, diba, meron si anger. Madami akong So, yung anger ko medyo...
Aminado siya. Aminado siya, be. Aminado siya.
I'm very thankful for that. Kasi feeling ko kung ibang tao...
Maganda naman yun. Aminado siya.
Or
okay.
judge nila in a way na
True.
they would think the worst of me.
Yeah. It helps din na patient din kami sa isa't isa. Madami kami na patience.
Ay, ang gwapo ni KD. Ano ba yan? Ang gwapo ni KD.
Iba't ibang challenges, iba't ibang activities. So, ano yung mga pagkakaparehas na nagagawa niyong approach towards dun sa iba't ibang activities na yun, at ano rin yung pinagkaiba nila?
Ayan.
Siguro po yung sa dynamic namin, I would try to always stand back first. Because admittedly, I've been doing this for a long time, a lot longer than he has. And since it's almost his first time to experience being a lead in a teleserye, in a play. Actually, it was my first time also, but kumbaga mas may background ako. So, during moments like that, where sasabak po kami in another field, in a new field, I like to take a few steps back first and watch him do his thing, kung paano niya aatakihin yung mga bagay-bagay.
True.
And then, when he needs me...
Galing ni Alexa?
Kasi, I'm very honest with him. I'm also his biggest critique.
Napaka-genuine niya talaga sumagot.
And, yeah, yun yung dynamic namin. Parang dito muna ako, sa tabi muna ako, see how you can grow on your own, how you can learn on your own. And then, kapag gusto mo na, if parang you're ready to do...
Alam mo kaya tumatagal silang dalawa, no? Very understandable. Very understanding silang dalawa, understandable.
Grabe yung iyak nyo dun, no? Grabe.
Talaga?
Minsan parang robot na lang sila. So, kung ano, like, okay, sasabihin na direct, okay, dito iyak kayo.
3, 2, 1, iyak.
3, 2, 1, iyak. I try to observe Alexa, how she acts din. Ako when I'm working with Alexa, I observe her a lot. And I try to do what she does, or not do what she does, but like I try to mix myself into what she's doing, and so it will drive more instead of.
Alam mo, ang talino talaga nila.
And, biglang
Pag magsalita sila.
it causes like
Yung tipong may
tension.
substance
But
talaga.
I also noticed that what I do with him, take a few steps back, he also does that
Yes.
with me. And ang galing lang kasi sakto yung timing. So, I'll be there when he needs me at the right time, and he's also there when I need him at the right time. But during other times, we let each other be in a way na yun nga, kasi pag work, hindi talaga nasa isip ko yung sweetness or anything like that. I want us to be focused.
Yes.
So yun,
Very
yun
professional.
Yun po yung dynamic namin. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
How does it feel to be called the hottest musical pair?
Yes, I couldn't agree more. Of course. Of course.
So the first time we ever heard of the title,
The hottest
we heard
musical
about the
pair.
title,
I love
like,
that.
Really? Us? Why? But then, sabi na lang namin, okay, pretty big shoes to fill, but we have to. And we have to make sure that they feel like the title they gave us, we are deserving of, and we
Yes.
make it worth it.
True.
So, yun na lang. We turned it into our motivation.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, we really love music. So, yung musical pair andun na, yung hot on the way pa siguro.
Oo.
Tingnan natin.
I'm still building. on the works.
No, but these two are really musically inclined. Diba you also write your own songs? Diba sa PBB, ilan yung kantang sinulat nyo bigla?
Yeah.
Diba? Oo. So ibang klase talaga yung talent nila when it comes to music. But now let's
Pag
Ay,
nung
tapos na pala.
si KD,
Yeah,
after
Love is an
nung
Open
Disney medley, ano yung reaction mo din? Impromptu ba yun?
Hindi po.
Hindi
Actually,
po.
galing po kasi yun sa song na Love is an Open Door sa Frozen. So, yun talaga yung lines niya na, will you marry me? Pero yung sagot ko, yun yung kasi dapat ang sagot ay yes. Pero parang baka pag sinagot ko yun, maniwala sila.
Oo nga.
Oo,
Sabi
true.
ko na lang, sige, ask me na lang again in a couple of years.
Couple of years? Hindi pa pwede next
TV
year.
Patrol, no?
Hindi pa pwede next
So,
year.
nag-propose kay Alexa
Tapos wala naman sing-sing.
Nag-oo.
Oo. Cutie. Ay, tapos
But
na?
last question na lang.
Okay, last
But
question.
Since kayong parehas, medyo inclined talaga kayo sa music, do you sometimes toss ideas? Parang do you help each other? Being na na-discover mong very creative ka din pala, do you help each other?
Ayan.
Kahit
Gumawa po
paano?
ng song.
Yeah, or anything like nagtotoss kayo ng ideas and minsan it helps din naman.
I would say mas before. Dati po. Pero sa ngayon, parang we try na when we talk to each other, it would just be about personal things. Kasi I feel like we see each other every day for work.
Ang palino nila
So, when
sumagot.
we get home, we just want to be chill, talk about whatever, ganon.
Alam mo yung hindi mo gusto,
Maybe,
alam mo yung gusto mo sanang sagutin talaga nila yung tanong, pero mas gusto mo yung ibang sagot nila. Gets ba yun? Yung punto?
we find the need to create something. I'm sure we're going to...
Yes. Wait, I just remembered something. Yes.
Ano? Ano nilala mo?
What is that?
Charis!
I'll tell you later.
Kinikilig si Akla?
Dapat hindi mo na sinabi sa mic. Lahat kami
Yung mo!
ano
Hindi,
yun?
kasi-
Yun!
Hindi, oo. Hindi, may naalala ko. I think with music, pag I think pag
Ano?
sa dalawa, yes, may aabangan. May aabangan. May aabangan.
May aabangan? Oh my God!
Mamaya nga, sasabihin ko sa iyo.
May aabangan!
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Ay, tapos na. Nabiti naman ako. Crescentia, thank you. There you go, guys. That is our for today's video. Our KTLX press con video. Sinummarize lang ni Crescentia. Thank you, Crescentia. This is KJ Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye.